All right, welcome back to another episode of Weetzer's Whiskey and Watches. So today I'm going to go up north. I've recently got a new addition to our family, and they're from Canada. So in tribute of everybody, love you guys, miss everybody, we are going to do a beautiful Crown Royal and Crown Royal Peach smoked peach maple old fashioned. So we're going to obviously use regular Crown. We're going to use some peach Crown. We'll probably divide these equally, about an ounce per each one. We're going to muddle up a fresh peach. We have some Crown maple syrup. We have some wonderful Collins cherries. This is a Amazon purchase, so delicious. Also their Bourbon stem cherry, so not too bad there. Then we're going to dash this with some ginger root bitters. So ginger peach is going to be fantastic. Then my kit that I got from my son, thanks Aaron, we're going to do a smoked cherry wood. And I'll show you how this all goes together. And then we're going to do a Canadian watch, which probably hardly anybody's ever heard of, but I've known about these guys for years. Living on Whidbey Island, the border's just up north from us, and there's a store up there in Blaine that sells them, and Momentum is the watch. So we're going to do some a review on this Momentum watch. It's called the Base Layer. Wonderful watch. You can custom order it. You can get a NATO strap. You can get a stainless steel strap. I'll go over that in a second, and we'll do all the specs. So let's get to mixing a Canadian cocktail. All right, first things first, we're going to take a good, fresh, nice ripe peach. The riper the better. Let's get this out of the way here. And since I'm left-handed, we'll go this way. And by the way, there's some Canadian representation right here. Big bonus to anybody that answers who all these people are. If you can identify all these people are, I'll send you something special. First one to do it gets something real special. So there we go. All right, so first thing we do, cut up a nice peach, and then just have a slice of it. We don't need too many because we're adding the peach Crown also. So, boy, this is a sharp knife, man. And let's see if I can get this wedge. Yeah, just a nice wedge out of there. Let's do two just to make it official. All right, take that out of there. This one, all right, that's a good one. All right, drop that in there. And since there's two, let's just do two. All right, next we will take our ginger root bitters. I believe we should do 4 dashes of this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ginger peach, I mean, how much better does that get? Now, our Crown maple syrup. Now, this is not from, oh my goodness, it's from New York, Dover Plains, New York. But my goodness, you get this at Costco, but it's delicious. So I'm not gonna rip on where it's from. It's pretty good. We are gonna do 1 3/4 ounce pour of this. We're gonna make this nice and sweet. Oh man, I wish you guys could smell that already. Woo, peach pancakes right there. All right, let me put this back. Now, that is it, and we are gonna muddle this. And since I didn't bring my muddle, we are just gonna muddle it with the end of this strainer, which is gonna be just fine. So just, all you have to do is kind of bruise. Oh man, not prepared at all for this one. There we go. Yeah, just smash this down and bruise these peaches a little bit just to get that tenderness and that mixture going, so they just kind of ferment in the additives that you put them in. Oh, that's pretty good. Remember, kids, be prepared. Nice. All right, we got that nice and muddled. So now, let me put this over here so it doesn't get all sticky. We'll probably get full of ants. Next thing we do, since that's been muddled in there, we're gonna take 1 ounce. Can you tell which one I drink the most? This is good stuff. Boy, the craze for this was amazing for a while, and now it's cheap. We're gonna take 1 ounce of peach Crown, and we're gonna take another 1 ounce of just a regular Crown. This one's brand new. Let's open this up. I love these bags they come in. That purple is super nice. There we go, 1 full ounce. This usually just fits right there. Let's cover this up. I probably put the wrong cap on each one, but that's okay. It's still Crown, right? All right, now let's see. Let's grab your ice. Fill this guy full with ice. Let's do some more. I'm gonna have to get one of those nice little ice buckets. If anybody's got any recommendations for one, maybe something with wood grain on it or something like that, send me a link or something that you found or had, and let's see what we can do. All right, so just as well, I'll grab a nice handy dandy strainer, and we will stir this until this gets just frosty on the bottom. And then we want to dilute this down, and then make sure that the mixture gets diluted nicely. It takes a little bit away from the strong spirits, but we want this drink spirit forward. So, and this is a summertime. This is like peach tea, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. So I've made this before, so it's super good. All right, that's done. Now I got myself a Crown Royal glass. Came as a kit. All right, we're gonna get some fancy ice cubes. Maybe just 1 fancy ice cube. You know what? We'll do 2. They'll fit. Oh, they turned out nice and clear. There you go. Put that back. Now, because we muddled the fruit in there, let's double strain. And how about we put this on the right way? That's even better. There we go. Double strain this bad boy. And look at that pour. Got it all. A little bit of chunks left. So there it is. Now, the best part. Let's get this smoker set up and I'll show you how to smoke this bad boy. All right, this is a super simple process. We got our cherry wood. We got our volcano smoker. We just set this bad boy on top. Comes with a nice little scooper, comes with a torch. Open this up. Scoop a couple of chips, cherry wood chips right in the screen. I like to do 2. Let's get a good smoke on this. Put that back together. Fire up your torch and let it do its magic. Just burn it nice and you'll see it's already penetrating this stuff. Oh, and the smell. Oh gosh. We'll let that smolder, and then look at that. Yummy. And we're gonna get some nice cherry flavoring in there, smoked cherry, and we'll also top it off with a cherry. Let's garnish this with another nice piece of peach. We'll do a small wedge. Perfect. We will then take a cherry, bourbon soaked cherry. I will take that stem off. We will put this wedge. Ooh, look at that. Whoa, butterfingers. Ooh, let's dip it in there by accident. Oh man, it's slippery. Garnish that. Take this off. Look at that. Smoke away. And we will plop that bad boy right in there. All right, let's give it a shot. All right, let's try this bad boy out. Man, just the smell. It's got that smoky, just grown up whiskey smell. Oh my goodness. You know, Crown by itself, these flavored ones, not all that good. But when you start mixing them and making cocktails like this, especially a peach smoked old fashioned, maple old fashioned, I mean, come on. Oh my goodness. Hold on a second. Man, let me tell you, hey, doesn't get any better than this. This process of making this thing, oh, geez, it's better than driving a boat on a flat lake. Makes me want to play the hockey, huh? I'll tell you what, that was the worst Canadian I've ever done. Man, I'll tell you what, so good, so good. Please try this summer. It's just the taste you need for a nice hot day. Our weather's getting better, and we need to keep up these refreshing cocktails. So, all right, let's review this watch. Or maybe not. Oh man, that's so good. All right, I have to admit, this is probably one of my favorite tough watches to wear. I have abused the crud out of this thing. It has anything from mowing the lawn to, you know, chainsaw carving to cutting wood with the chainsaw, you name it. It has been through it, and it's got some scratches, it's got some dings, but it just keeps going. So neat thing about this too is this company's right out of Vancouver, and I've contacted them. Plus in the States, they have a service station north of here, about 45 minutes in Blaine. And anything I've ever needed, I've gone up there. Battery changes, adjustments, you name it, demagnetization, everything I've ever needed. The service has been wonderful. So this stainless steel watch, it's got, I obviously put a NATO strap on it. That's actually a logoed NATO strap from Momentum. It's got a mineral crystal, but if you order one, you can order the sapphire crystal with it. So if you wanted to order it separate, you can do that. Or actually have them install it. It's a Japanese quartz movement, screw down crown, and it's not dive rated, but it's rated for 200 meters. So nothing beats that. It's a little chunky, it's a little heavy because it's almost 44.2 millimeters in diameter, so it's a big watch, but it's kind of thin being a quartz movement, so it's only just under 11, about 10.8 millimeters thick. Claimed weight is about 3.2 ounces, and just recommended use is everyday use, casual. But I'm telling you, it's a tough watch. I think Momentum did something. Oh, there you have it. One tough whiskey and one tough watch, all from Canada. So it doesn't get much better than that, right? So, and again, I apologize for the crazy Canadian accent, but I'm serious about the shirt, man. If anybody can name any of these in the comments immediately, you get something special. So, all right, everybody, cheers. Thanks for watching Weetzer's Whiskey and Watches.